Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without Watermark in bulk. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before I begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Chrome browser. Then what you should type right here in the search bar is to type TikTok mass downloader. Then you will get this option right here, mass TikTok video downloader. So I'm gonna tap on it, then it will show me this extension right here. What you do is to simply click on add to Chrome right here. Then it will ask you if you want to add the extension, so I'm gonna click on add extension. Then once you finish, it will be added to the extensions right here. Then you should tap on this puzzle icon and click on this pin icon right here in order to be pinned right here. Then what you should do right now is to simply go to any video that you want to download. And here in my case, I'll go to this channel on TikTok. Then I'm going to enter any one of these videos. Let's say this one, for example. And here you will find this icon right here on the top right corner. You can simply tap on it and it will download the video automatically. And here, as you can see, you have it in the downloads. You can simply click on show in folder, and here you will have the video inside your PC without the watermark. And for sorry, now you cannot actually download many videos one time in bulk, and this is because of the new update. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all, and see you guys in a new video.